Hello and welcome back to Tires on the Road. Good to see you back at our channel again. In this video we're going to go over the Haloview bed mount magnetic camera as well as the mirror mount for the monitor, plus the onboard recording features with the Dashcam. The additional camera I purchased is similar to the camera that mounts on the back of the RV. Magnetically place it in the bed of our truck so that we can view our hitch while we're hooking up. First thing I needed to do was to remove my existing bed cam. I was able to reuse the 12-volt electrical power supply to be able to power up the new Haloview magnetic cam. The magnetic camera base has been working very well. Once I placed it, I've never had to touch it again. The nice thing is if you needed to adjust it for a better view, it's super easy to do. This kit to mount the monitor to your mirror is $8.99 sold as an accessory and mounts to the back of the monitor at these locations here, which I was wondering what they were for when I originally received this kit. These little rubber bands go on to the plastic mounts which mount around your mirror. The kit comes with these mounting screws which you put in here to mount those clips to the back of your monitor. Then you install these little rubber pads over the screw holes so when it mounts to your mirror it holds it very securely and doesn't move at all, and I can attest it mounts very well and is very secure. The advantage to using the mirror monitor mounts is that it really does clean up your dash immensely. The bad side is sometimes I forget that the RV is behind me because I can't see the RV in the rearview mirror anymore because of the monitor. The other accessory item we purchased was the Dashcam that records directly to your BT7 monitor. This was a handy upgrade in that we can record 2, 3, or 4 different screens at one time based on what you have your Q view on your monitor. The BT7 touchscreen has exceeded our expectations. We've gone from 2 items on the dash that were mounted to now just the mounted monitor on the mirror. We've eliminated a lot of clutter on our dash. The dash has opened up immensely. We just love this new Haloview BT7 touchscreen. It checks all the boxes. Actually has exceeded my expectations. I wasn't quite sure about it at first, but we absolutely love it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and also check out these other 2 videos if you didn't see these in relationship to our first Haloview posts on this awesome product. Until the next video, safe travels, y'all.